Contrary to popular belief, if you're interested in becoming a homeowner, the first thing to do is not to head to open houses. It's getting your pre-qualification done by a lender. So what is a pre-qual and what do you need to do? A pre-qualification is a verification of your ability to borrow money to purchase a home. A lender will look at your credit score to see what programs you may qualify for and what interest rates are available to you. And we'll also need the following documentation. If you're a W-2 employee, you'll need 2 months of pay stubs, another 2 months of bank statements, and 2 years of tax returns, plus your Social Security number. If you're self-employed, your lender will also want to see the last 2 years of business tax returns and the last 3 months of profit and loss statements. Based on this information, your lender will be able to issue you what's called a pre-qual letter. The pre-qual will state the maximum amount you can borrow and the financing program that you're qualified for. It will not state an annual percentage rate or APR because you need an actual property under contract to lock in a rate. Your pre-qual is good for 90 days, after which you'll need to verify the information with your lender again. If you're not able to get pre-qualified, a good lender will provide you information on what you need to do to work on getting pre-qualified in the future. Once you have that pre-qual, you'll be ready to seriously start looking at homes because in this competitive market, it's tough to be taken seriously by agents and sellers if you don't have one. Then, when the right home comes up, you can submit an offer without any additional delays that could be the difference between you getting the home and someone else beating you to it. I have great relationships with several good reputable lenders in town. So if you need a referral, just reach out. I'm always glad to help. I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty.